Hello and welcome to the session. In this session we will discuss how to construct a table of values using the table feature on a graphing calculator. Let us consider the following equation, that is 4x plus 5y is equal to minus 20. We want to construct its table of values on the graphing calculator. First of all, we will write this equation in y is equal to form. We have 4x plus 5y is equal to minus 20, which implies that 5y is equal to minus 20 minus 4x, which further implies that y is equal to minus 20 upon 5 minus 4 by 5x, which implies that y is equal to minus 4 minus 4 upon 5x, or we can write it as y is equal to minus 4 upon 5x minus 4. Now we shall construct its table of values on the TI-83 Plus calculator. Before you begin with the calculator, clear all previously stored functions. For this, on y is equal to, highlight each function and press clear key. Let us now type the equation. For this, we press y is equal to key and this screen will be displayed. Now type minus 4 by 5x minus 4. For this we press negative sign key followed by opening round bracket key. Then we type number 4 key, then this division key followed by number 5 key, and then we press this closing round bracket key and then press xt theta n key for x and then minus sign key, then number 4 key, and we get this display on screen. Now let us see its table. Now we see that table is written above graph key. So we press second table, that is this second key and this table key simultaneously, and we get the following table on the screen. Now we see that the values of x start from 0, then 1, 2, 3 and so on. That is, the values have an increment of 1. Also, the corresponding y values are displayed automatically. To see more values, we will just scroll down. Now suppose we want the values of table to start from minus 6. For this, we will need to change table settings. Let us go to the table settings. Now here in this calculator, we see that table settings is written above window key. So we press second and table settings key simultaneously. Then we will get this screen. Now see here, it is written table start. It means we decide with which beginning value of x we want our table to start with. Here it is given 0, but we want our table to start with -6. So we type -6 by pressing this negative sign key followed by number 6 key. On scrolling down, we see that delta table is written. This describes the increment in the table values of variable x. 1 is written here. It means the values in the table goes on like 1, 2, 3, 4, that is by increment of 1. If we change it to 2, then values in table will go like 1, 3, 5, that is by increment of 2. Let us leave it as it is, that is we are taking increment of 1, so our values will go like -6, -5, -4, -3 and so on. Next independent is given, followed by auto and ask. Auto creates the table based on the start value and increment we have specified, and asks waits for us to input a value of x and then determines the corresponding y value. Here, if we want it to be changed to ask, we highlight ask and press enter. But here, let us keep it as auto. Next we have dependent, followed by auto and ask. Auto generates the corresponding y values for the displayed x values automatically, and ask displays y values only when selected. Let us keep it as auto. So now we have these table settings. Now we shall view the table. We see that table is written above graph. So we press second, that is this key, followed by table. We get this table on the screen. See, the values have started from x is equal to -6 and the corresponding y values are automatically generated. Also, the values of x are given as -6, -5, -4 and so on, because we had chosen an increment of 1. Now if we want to find x and y intercept of the equation, we scroll down the table to find the values where x is 0 and y is 0. See here, at x is equal to -5, y is equal to 0. So, the ordered pair -5, 0 is the x-intercept. See, when we scroll down further, at x is equal to 0, corresponding y value is -4. So, the ordered pair 0 -4 is the y-intercept. Thus, in this session, we have discussed how to construct the table of values on a graphing calculator. This completes our session. Hope you enjoyed this session.